Class, class, class.
Yes, yes, yes.
Our goal today is I can add up two-digit numbers using different strategies. Now repeat after me. I can add up.
I can add up
Two two-digit numbers using different strategies.
two-digit numbers using different strategies.
And that's our goal today. So we are at to do, and we are about to do it, so I'm gonna move it over because we're in the process of doing it, okay? How many of you, by thumbs up, remember Greg Tang? How many of you remember the video with the students doing break apart? So what two strategies can we use to add up 2 by 2-digit numbers? Yes. Standard algorithm. Or break apart. So we're about to review it, okay? What I'd like you to do is get out your dry erase marker and your eraser, and we're gonna try it right on your desk. Plus 16 equals 70. What method did I use or strategy did I use? Talk to your team.
Standard algorithm.
Okay, standard algorithm. I would like you to show me or prove to me that my answer is correct by using the strategy you want to use. Prove to me that 54 plus 16 equals 70. Show me on your desk. 54 plus 16 equals 70. You can either use break apart or standard algorithm. It's up to you. You choose the strategy. Okay. Where'd you start? You start in the tens, but I thought you were supposed to start in the ones.
I did start in the ones.
Okay, so 4 plus 6 is 0?
It's 10.
Okay, so where does the 1 go?
Next to 6.
You sure? I don't see it. Give me proof. Thank you. I like that. Thank you. I like that. Class, class.
Yes, yes.
Class, class, class.
Yes, yes, yes.
What is my proof to show that 54 plus 16 equals 70? What's my proof? Can you come up and explain it? You can use mine. Use mine. Oh my gosh. So explain it to me. How did you get that?
I got it because 4 plus 6 equals 10, but I can't put that 1 right there since it's not 100. So I put that 1 up there, and then I add this all together, and it equals 7.
Thumbs up if you agree. Great job. Thank you, Lucas. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to erase your boards because I have a problem for you. And put your dry erasers away. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Linda.
Listen.
Listen.
Linda.
Your challenge today is a fairy tale challenge. Remember, we just watched Jack and the Beanstalk, correct? All right. Fairy tale challenge. Help Jack get down the beanstalk and cut it down. He needs 73 coins for an axe. Follow the correct path and choose two-digit numbers that have a sum of 73. Are you ready for the challenge?
Yes.
Are you ready for the challenge?
Yes.
groups?
Teams.
Superheroes?
Yes.
Please get in your groups at this time.
Okay. Excuse me.
Table 1. Here, just take it. Come on, Jackson. Here you go.
Team 2. There we go.
Here you go.
This is, we're team 4.
Just take it. Here.
Ow, ow.
Find a spot. Excuse me. Here you go. Class, class.
Yes, yes.
Class, class, class.
Yes, yes, yes.
Find a spot on the carpet right now. I'm going to count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go over this, guys. Read it with me. Help Jack get down the beanstalk and cut it down. He needs 73 coins for an X. Follow the correct path and choose 2 two-digit numbers that have the sum of what?
73.
Go to the next page. Everybody take one of those Jack and the Beanstalk. Give one to your teammates. Everybody gets a sheet. If everybody has a sheet, say, oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
If everybody has a sheet, say, oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You got it, Lucas? Give me a sheet. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you have to not only help Jack get down the beanstalk, you also have to find 2 two-digit numbers that have a sum of what?
73.
But before you even begin, talk to your team and see what strategy you're going to use to find the sum of 73. What strategy will you use to find 73? Okay, why would you use standard algorithm? Oh, it's easier than break apart? Okay.
Guys, let's use standard algorithm.
Why?
Because, like, it's easier and
Okay. So repeat what she just did. What standard are you using? Okay.
It's 2 digits.
Hey, what strategy did you decide to use?
Are we trying to get
What strategy did your team decide to use? Standard algorithm or break apart? Huh?
standard algorithm? No, we can go here.
Richard, what did he just say? What did he just say?
Standard algorithm.
Okay, thank you. Ladies, what strategy are you going to use?
Standard algorithm.
Okay. All right.
Because it can
Class, class. Class, class, class.
Yes, yes, yes.
You need to choose one person to come up here and tell me which strategy your team is going to use. Standard algorithm or break apart. 5, 4, 3, 2. Stand up. One person from each group, come on down and tell me which strategy you are going to use.
Thank you.
You are so welcome.
Thank you.
Now, Miss Reed's class, now that we discussed it, I need you guys to pick a table group to go to and work on the tabletops. Okay?
How about let's just go to Sammy's because it's
Because I want to see. Yep, you have pencils in the blue buckets.
I need a pen.
Is there a pencil in the blue bucket that you can get?
Because that's nice. Sorry.
So what are you going to do first?
we're gonna find, we're gonna get the path to 51 and 22. So
Oh.
then there, because 51 plus 22 equals 73.
What? But how do you know?
Because 50 plus 20 equals 70, and 1 plus 2 equals 3.
So what do I need here? Are you the only one that's going to do it? What did he say? Which path are you taking? Well, I need you to explain to them what you're doing.
Well, he got up, I got up the numbers and he got up the path.
Okay, well, which path are you taking? He doesn't know, but how do you know and your other teammates don't know? So maybe you need to share your path with them and I'll come back and talk to you about it. What path are you taking?
This path.
So, how do you know that the sum is 73?
Because it has 51, 50, and 25 when you go in the thing.
7. And 2 plus 1 equals 3.
Okay, so how are you going to prove it to me on a ticket, exit ticket? What addition sentence are you going to give me?
51 plus 22 equals 7.
Okay, thank you. What path are you taking? Have you decided yet?
No.
Okay, I'll come back to you, okay? But what's the sum that you have to get?
73.
73. Make sure Shanaisha knows what path you're taking also, okay? Yep. What path are you taking?
We're taking 51 plus 22.
Okay, but how do I know that that's 73?
Oh yeah, we have to use our standard algorithm.
Standard algorithm, so it needs to go here. Okay, here you go. But how did he know the path?
See, look, it's 73.
Okay, the sum is 73. So which path goes to 73? You need to explain it to them. Richard, are you focusing? Stand up, let me see. What path goes to, what two numbers? What two-digit numbers?
No.
Everybody at this table group got to have the same path. So make sure. Good job. Now do it with your pencil. Make sure Jackson. Show me the path, Jackson.
Oh, we don't start.
Good job. Class, class. Class. In order for me to know that you know what you're doing, you have to fill out the exit ticket. That is our 3-column notes. That is the proof. Okay, at the top, it has your team number because you're working together. In the middle, that's your proof. That's your proof of how I know. And don't forget to add your reflection of how do you know the answer is correct. So I'm coming around and I'm listening to everybody.
Okay, so
What is Shanaisha doing to help this group? I need her over here writing because she needs to know. Okay. So, how did you solve the problem?
how about everybody writes?
How about one person write that didn't do it? How about her or her?
Standard algorithm. Solve the problem. Standard algorithm.
Okay.
Nobody else would get it. What's your name on your paper? I did. No, not you. I should really say.
Show me what you're doing. This team right here, I need you guys to focus. What path did you take?
We took this.
51 and 22.
What two numbers, Shanaisha, did he just say you took?
51 and 22.
What addition sentence do I need on this paper?
51 plus 22.
Show me 51 plus 22. She's going to show me.
I'll correct it.
Okay? So what's the sum of 51 plus 22? Where do you start first?
And the ones.
In the ones.
So
It equals 73. Excellent. Now how did you solve the problem? Class, class.
Yes, yes.
Class, class, class.
Yes, yes, yes.
You should be at your reflection part now. So go ahead and finish up and complete your reflection. I'm coming around to make sure that everybody understands how they got the sum of 73. Regrouping. Did we have to regroup though? Did we have to add any ones to the tens? Nope. Nope. What two-digit numbers did we use?
We used 51 and 22.
Okay. What two-digit numbers did we use?
51 and 22.
Repeat what he just said.
51, 22.
How do they add up to 73?
Because 50 plus 20 equals 70, plus 1 plus 2 equals 3.
Good job.
Good job, Kelly.
How do I know that that's correct? How do you know that what he said is correct?
Because we added this to get all this together, and it got us 73.
Well, why is standard algorithm better for you than break apart?
Because standard algorithm is way easier, and I'm way.
But how you explained it to me was break apart.
Huh?
Because you broke apart the tens and you broke apart the ones.
Well, sometimes I'm confused with both of them, so I just think it's standard algorithm.
Okay.
But actually doing break apart.
Okay. Now you're doing it on this paper, standard algorithm, but when you explain it, it's easier to do break apart when you explain it?
Yeah.
Okay. He needs some help writing a reflection, so Richard, write the reflection. Thank you. Okay. So what strategy did you use?
Standard alphabet.
Linda!
Listen.
Listen!
Linda.
You should all have your reflection. So I would like you guys to put all your papers back on a clipboard and go back to your seat.
Wait, you have to write the names.
I got done.
I think this one.
Juliet, I need you to listen because come on. Ladies, put it back on a clipboard and go back to your seat. Put it back on a clipboard and go back to your seats. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. I got it, honey. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. 3. Nope. Don't need it. 2. 1. I was looking around at every group, and you picked the numbers. What numbers did you pick? Say it.
51 and 22.
Because we need to have a sum of what?
73.
How many coins did Jack need to get an axe?
73.
73. So let's do this with me. 1 plus 2 is?
3.
5 plus 2 is?
7.
Did we have to regroup? That means take a 10 and put it in a tens place?
No.
No, we didn't have to regroup at all. Okay, so did you complete the challenge?
Yes.
You complete the challenge.